Can you tell? We have studied that the local time is different in different parts of the world. The daily routine of the people there is determined according to the local time in those places. Figure 1.3 shows the local times of different longitudes. Study this map and answer the following questions. Use the relation between degrees and time for this. Question first. Between which longitudes does the region experience daytime? Answer. The region shown between 90° west and 90° east. Second question. Which longitudes experience noon and midnight respectively? Answer. 0 longitude and 180° longitude. Question third. Edward from New Orleans is on which longitudes? Answer. 90° west longitude. Question number 4. What is the time at Accra city? Answer. 12 noon. Question 5. At the same time, what is Sharad from Patna and Yakaito from Japan doing? What time is it in these cities? Answer. Sharad is returning home from school and Yakaito is preparing for the night sleep. It is 5:30 p.m. at Patna and 9:20 p.m. at Tokyo. Next question. Select any one longitude. Calculate the local time of the longitudes lying 1 degree to the west and east of this longitude. Answer. First, the selected longitude 80° east. The local time of the selected longitude is 5:20 p.m. Second, the local time of the longitude lying 1 degree to the west of the selected longitude 79° east will be 5:60 p.m. Third, the local time of the longitude lying 1 degree to the east of the selected longitude 81° east will be 5:24 p.m. Think about it. What is the maximum number of local times that can there be in the world? Answer. 360 times. How many longitudes pass the sun in 1 hour? Answer. 15 longitudes. Do you know? When the sun is directly overhead at a place on the earth, it is noon over there. While telling the time between midnight and noon, we put AM in front of the time. This means anti-meridian. When the longitude cross the noon time, then the time is past midday or afternoon. The time is between noon and midnight is denoted by PM, means post meridian. Use your brain power. Tick mark the time in the boxes which you can tell without using clock. Geographical explanation. Longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. As the distance between two longitudes increase, their local times also starts differing. If we multiply the difference between longitudes in degrees by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local times can be calculated. The difference in longitudes can be known with the help of a globe or map. Do it. Carry out the activity given on page 75 and 76 and understand the standard time of various locations. See if you can find out the standard time at two opposite longitudes with this activity. A world map is given on page 76. Cut it along the dotted lines. Paste the cut map on a hard cardboard. Now make a cylinder out of this map. While making a cylinder, make sure the 180-degree longitudes on the left and the right sides are superimposed on each other. Keep in mind that the longitudinal interval is 50 degrees each in this map. On the same page, a strip showing hours is also given. On this strip, 24 hours have been shown with 1 hour's makings. The 0 and 24 hours making shows midnight, while the 12 hours making shows noon. Cut this strip too and make a cylinder out of it. Make sure the 0 and 24 hours makings are superimposed on each other while doing so. To do the above mentioned activity, understand the steps along with the pictures given alongside. When you match the making of any time with any longitude on the map, you will know the time at the other longitudes. With this moving strip and the cylinder, you can play the game of local times. Standard time. Can you tell? Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. The difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata would be of 88 minus 73 is equal 15 degree. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what will be the local time at Kolkata? The local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude, and we know the difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata, which is 15 degree. Therefore, the time difference is equal 15 multiplied by 4 is equal 60 minutes. 60 minutes divided by 60 minutes is equal 1 hour. Therefore, if it is 3 p.m. at Mumbai, then it will be 4 p.m. at Kolkata. Geographical explanation. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Their local times differ by an hour. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. Therefore, generally, the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country with respect to businesses at global level. There should be compatibility between the standard times of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. But if the longitudinal extent means east to west extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. Give it a try. Look for the map of world time zones from reference book and see in which time zone India falls into. Find out with the help of an atlas. Find out which countries need more than one standard time. Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree 30 minutes and other places in the country. Can you tell? Look at the figure 1.4 and answer the following questions. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? Answer: 29 longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map. Second question: by how many minutes do two consecutive longitudes differ? Answer: 4 minutes. Next question: what is the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur? Answer: 82 degrees 30 minutes. Next question: if it is 8 am at 82 degrees 30 minutes east, what will be the time in their clocks at the following places? Answer: if it is 8 am at 82 degrees 30 minutes east, it would be 8 am in their clocks at Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati, as the time at 82 degree 30 minutes east is considered as a standard time of India. Next question: though the distance between them is more, why doesn't the standard time differ in these places? Answer: in India, the time at 82 degree 30 minutes east is considered as standard time of India, and therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. Universal Standard Time. For an international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich in England is considered to be the international standard time. The difference in standard times of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT, means Greenwich Mean Time. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 pm at Greenwich, then in India it will be 10:30 pm. Give it a try. If it is 8 am in India, what is the time in Greenwich? Answer: it will be 2:30 am in Greenwich. When it is 2 pm in India, in which countries would it be 2 pm too? Answer: Sri Lanka. When it is 9 am in India, what will be the time at 82 degree 30 minutes west longitude? Answer: it would be the 10 pm of the previous day at 82 degree 30 minute west longitude. What will be the time at prime meridian when a new day starts at 180 longitude? It will be 12 noon. Do you know? National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, an institute in the United States of America, has developed the most accurate clocks in the world. Clocks have to be adjusted by 1 second, added or subtracted once in 20 million years. In India, the National Physical Laboratory of India, NPL, New Delhi, gives services of accurate timekeeping. The clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh part of a second, as accurate time is required for space research. artificial satellite launching, etc. These clocks are used in these activities. Do you know Jantar Mantar Astronomical Observatories? Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, the king of Jaipur, Rajasthan, was a great astronomer, mathematician, and architect. He built 5 astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar at Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi, and Mathura. The one at Mathura doesn't exist today, but one can visit the other 4. Even today, one can know the exact time up to seconds through shadow. Jantar Mantar do not only house sundials, but they are complete astronomical observatories. With the help of instruments at Jantar Mantar, it is still possible to see astronomical observations. After the advent of modern instruments, now these instruments are more of a cultural heritage.